Did you know you can become a millionaire even if you work a regular 9-to-5 job? It's true. You don't need to be a CEO, a tech genius, or win the lottery to build a 7-figure net worth. What you do need is the right mindset, consistent habits, and a proven plan to make your money grow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can achieve millionaire status while working a steady job. By the end, you'll have a clear path to financial freedom and the motivation to take action today. Welcome to your financial freedom. This is the channel where we teach you how to master your money, grow your wealth, and live the life you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to take the first step toward your millionaire future, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in. Yes, you can be a millionaire on a 9-to-5 salary. Let's start with a myth that holds many people back, the belief that a 9-to-5 job means you'll never be rich. Here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire isn't about how much money you earn. It's about how you manage, save, and grow your money. Example, imagine you earn $50,000 a year. If you save and invest just 20% of your income, $10,000 a year, at a 7% annual return, you'll reach $1 million in about 30 years. If you start earlier and invest consistently, you could achieve it even faster. The key here isn't having a huge salary, it's making the most of what you have. Let's explore how. Step 1. Master your cash flow. The first step to building wealth on a 9-to-5 salary is mastering your cash flow, the money coming in and going out of your life. If you don't control your spending, you'll never have enough left to save or invest. Bad habit example. You earn $4,000 a month, but spend $4,500 on unnecessary expenses like dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Every month you go deeper into debt. Good habit example. You earn $4,000 a month, live on $3,000, and save $1,000 for investing. Over time, those small savings add up to big wealth. Action step. Create a budget that prioritizes saving and investing. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent bills, etc. 30% for wants, entertainment, hobbies. 20% for savings and investments. When you control your cash flow, you control your financial future. Step 2. Invest early and consistently. The second step is the most powerful tool for building wealth. Investing early and consistently. Here's where the magic of compound interest comes in. When you invest, your money earns interest, and that interest earns even more interest. Over time, this creates exponential growth. Example. If you invest $500 a month starting at age 25 with a 7% annual return, you'll have over $1.1 million by age 65. If you wait until 35 to start, you'll only have about $500,000. The earlier you start, the easier it is to reach your goals. Step 3. Live below your means. To become a millionaire, you must live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything. It means being smart about how you spend your money. Bad habit. Buying a brand new car that loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. Good habit. Buying a reliable used car and investing the difference. Practical example. If you save $300 a month by choosing a used car over a new one, that's $3,600 a year. Invest that money at a 7% return, and in 20 years it grows to $165,000. Living below your means isn't about sacrifice, it's about creating opportunities for your money to grow. Step 4. Define financial freedom. Now let's talk about financial freedom, what you're really working toward. Financial freedom happens when the income from your passive investments is enough to cover your desired lifestyle. For example, if your lifestyle costs $4,000 a month and your investments generate $4,000 or more in passive income, you're financially free. Example, if you have $1 million invested in dividend stocks paying a 4% annual yield, that's $40,000 a year in passive income. That's $3,333 a month, enough to cover many people's living expenses. The beauty of financial freedom is that it gives you choices to work because you want to, not because you have to. Are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? If so, don't forget to subscribe to Your Financial Freedom, hit the like button, and share your financial goals in the comments below. Let's keep going and build your millionaire future. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on just your 9-to-5 income can limit your wealth-building potential. That's why millionaires often have multiple streams of income. Examples of additional income streams: side hustles, freelance writing, tutoring, or selling products online. Passive income, dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or royalties. Investments, ETFs, index funds, or even starting your own small business. Practical example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month from your job and create a side hustle that brings in an extra $1,000. If you save and invest that $1,000 every month, you'll accelerate your path to millionaire status significantly. Step 6. Continuously learn and adapt. Millionaires never stop learning. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Financial education is the key to making smarter decisions. Commit to learning something new about money every week. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Step 7. Stay consistent and patient. Finally, building wealth takes time and consistency. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme that works. But here's the good news. If you stick to your plan and stay patient, you'll achieve your goals. Every dollar you save and invest today is a step closer to financial freedom. Don't let setbacks discourage you. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's recap the steps to becoming a millionaire on a 9-to-5 salary. 1. Master your cash flow. 2. Invest early and consistently. 3. Live below your means. 4. Define financial freedom. 5. Build multiple streams of income. 6. Continuously learn and adapt. 7. Stay consistent and patient. If you follow these steps, millionaire status is not just possible, it's inevitable. If this video inspired you to take control of your finances, don't stop here. Subscribe to Your Financial Freedom for more tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth and achieve financial independence. Hit the like button if this video resonated with you, and share in the comments what step you're ready to take today. Thank you for watching, and remember, the choices you make today will shape your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and your millionaire future will thank you. Let's take action together.